thing. Okay. Yeah, what is Salesforce? Before we people knowing about the what is CR? CRM nothing but a customer relationship management. Yeah, here we have initially number of CRM tools is available, but nowadays few tools only available. The two like Salesforce and Siebel CRM and Oracle CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. But we have existing different CRM tools available. What is CRM? Customer Relationship Management. We have one organization is there. They're manufacturing the any products or anything. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Here, any organization we have any organization how their sale their products and how they're providing the service to the products, like these type of things we have to implement in CRM tools only. See here, customer relationship management between the organization and customer, uh, how they're tracking organization tracking the customer information and their addresses and their details, entire details, and how they're tracking the products information and how they're maintaining the services, like these all things with using applications like we are calling as a CRM applications. We have different CRM applications available like PeopleSoft CRM, like Salesforce only. These all things, Sugar CRM, SAP CRM, SAP CRM, and Oracle CRM, Microsoft AX Dynamic CRM. Yeah, and one more CRM is there. It is Siebel CRM. Siebel, Siebel CRM. Okay, these are the CRM. Different CRMs are available. We have in market. These are the tools, CRM tools we have. But nowadays, this is the Salesforce is the on-demand CRM. Why means the first thing is easily understanding the things on user interface. One thing, and second thing is okay. Second thing is, and we have this is a cloud-related technology. This is cloud-based technology. That's why actually before 2012 11 we have this is the on-demand CRM, but nowadays after 2012 most of the projects migrated to Salesforce. Salesforce. Why means this is a cloud-based technology. Now we people know about the what is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? We have like within the server only, we have metadata and data. Metadata means as a administrator developer, we are creating the applications. So those applications related ones, here we have who is providing the application or where we have to implement the application. Nothing but the technology. Who is providing the technology? Salesforce.com providing the technology. They're only they people only maintaining the servers also. Server means this is a server. Here we have up to this place we have one client. Here one more client this place occupying and one more client this place. Okay, within the server only one place, one client. Like we have different clients. Like here the client is, for example, any oil and gas client. I'm adding as a Motiva, oil and gas. And here, any pharma or anything, or banking, ICICI. And here, any pharma company, different, we have AstraZeneca. Okay. Similar way here, I'm saying about other bank, HDFC. See here. And here also, we have to have one more client, different industries like insurance is there, like LIC in India, I'm saying about. And one more like healthcare or anything we have. Healthcare related means multi-specialty hospitals like we have in India only, Apollo. See here, different clients. Their data, metadata and data means customer information, and we have to implement the applications. Now that metadata also tracking here. Metadata means programming and what are the concepts in Salesforce we are creating. Now those all are we are calling as a metadata. Data means we are tracking customers information. That is nothing but a data. So here tracking that customers means metadata and data both in the within the server only. Within the server only. Within the server, we have different clients information we have available. And who is maintaining this server? Who is providing this server? Who is providing the technology? Actually, here we have Salesforce.com is there. One organization, Salesforce.com, they're providing this server. Normally, we can go with .NET or Java, anything. Those technologies are not cloud-based technologies. So this server, for example, ICIC only, there within their branch only, this cloud server we have in different place. Cloud server is where this cloud server is available. Who is providing the technology? They're maintaining the server and their place only. They're adding this server or put this server. So where Salesforce.com, this is where we have the server is placed in Salesforce.com only. Coming to the normal technologies like .NET Java, like non-cloud technologies, they're placing, like for example, ICICI only in India. They are maintaining the server. Who is maintaining the server? The server, who is the client? ICICI is the client. Their place only placing the server. Okay, maintenance and any server issues they're getting. Who is taking care? Who is taking care about that? ICICI only. But here, in case we are facing any server issues, server down issues, or any server patching required, like these all things, any issues related to the server, who is taking care about? Who is providing the server? Like who is providing the server? Salesforce.com. So those what are the problems we are getting related to those problems? Who is taking care about those things? Like Salesforce.com only take care about these servers. But here, who is the client? ICICI is the client. Okay, ICICI is taking care about the servers. Okay, why means this server is placed in ICICI headquarters only, not in other places. within the client place only they placed server, but here cloud server. Cloud server is placed in who is providing the technology. Salesforce.com providing the technology now. They're maintaining the service. Why we can go with cloud means reduce the cost. Reduce the cost, and we have to so many advantages available. Like initially, banking sector, financial related sectors are not believing these cloud servers. But nowadays, they are also means security wise, like one client information is there here only in this place, and one client information in this place we have. But one client to another client, there is no access. They are not hacking the data or metadata. Those all things are not possible. So this is the advantage of cloud servers, and also more advantages are available. We can discuss more after. So coming to the cloud computing is there now. Cloud computing is nothing but a so the server is in who is providing the technology their place only. Now Salesforce.com is an organization, they're maintaining the servers on whatever clients we have, those clients information tracking here only within the servers only. The server is placed in who is providing the technology there only. So now how we can access the data? So the organization, ICICI in India only, but the server is placed in US or some places, okay, other places. How we can get the access on the data and metadata? So with using internet, we can access those servers. Okay, using internet, we can access those servers, data and metadata. There is a security part also. We can discuss more on in sale once starting the Salesforce classes. There is a security concept. Okay, using internet, we can access the application. And one more thing is we can go with any cloud computing technologies. They are providing three things: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. These three things they're providing. Okay, here software as a service means almost we can go with the Salesforce.com, Salesforce.com in case we can go with the Salesforce.com only. See here, they're providing applications like predefined sales related 60 to 70% application they're providing, service related, like different business, different industries related applications they're providing. So almost 50 to 60% application we have available on Salesforce.com only providing those things. So they're providing as a service only. Software as a service means different applications, industry related, they're providing. On next platform, where we have built these applications. Like in say here, software as service means example, Salesforce.com only. On platform as a service means we can go with Force.com where we are implementing the applications. Okay, the platform means the any customization required. Next, infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure means network and servers, maintenance. Like who is taking care about these things? Infrastructure as a service also, Salesforce.com only taking care about those all things. Salesforce service. So they're providing software as a service and platform also providing as a service. Infrastructure also as a they're providing as a service. So these all things we have cloud computing. See here, this is also Salesforce.com also this cloud-based technology. Means we can go with Salesforce technology. Using internet, we can access the applications in anywhere. That is one thing, and they're providing the services also. Software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Based on these things, most of the cost reduced. Nowadays, we have recession is starting. So in case we have anything related to that, most of the clients there are they're more focused on this cost cutting. So this is one thing. Means from scratch on we have to implement any application. Okay, it will a client will spend more money. Means for development and everything we have and more developers required. Like these all things happening. But here almost 50 to 60% application providing means remaining 40 to 50% only we have to implement or build the application. So number of resources reduced here. And platform also, like we have to install IDs and different ways we have. For platform related also we have to get the licenses and pay the amount, like these all things we have. But without those things we can do platform as a service. Even infrastructure also. Or we can means normally we have Java and .NET like that, non-cloud technologies. We need to buy the server. Okay, and after 1 year or 2 years your business is
அதுல
okay, your business is there is an impact and your business is down. That time how we once you are buying the server normally in Java or .NET non-cloud applications, how you can maintain that server, there is no use. Now I'm saying about up to here you have to use the server. After 2 years remaining server is waste. So like we have to unnecessarily we are uh, spend spend on that amount. So this type of things we have reduced here. We have to blow cloud server. This Salesforce.com providing the space based on the client requirements. Okay, and these all things happening. We have to buy licenses only here. Okay, here not buying server, only licenses we are user license here. License client purchasing user licenses only from Salesforce.com, not server. Okay, like these type of things we have to go with this cloud computing infrastructure as a service means. On coming to the Salesforce.com, this is on-demand CRM technology. This is on-demand CRM technology, and we have to go with more customization and also almost number of applications also they are providing based on industries. Okay, so clients are more interested on the Salesforce, uh, Salesforce.com, Salesforce technology. The main thing is we have different uh, positive things and more advantages related to other CRMs and also other non-cloud related. So nowadays 80% CRM projects are Salesforce only. And one more thing is every year they're providing three releases. Three releases. That is winter, spring, summer. Like these three things we have: winter, spring, summer releases we have. Now versions also is there for each release. Every year three releases we have, and each release we have version is increased. Nowadays 61 is running, 62 is coming version. This is version. Okay, this is version 62. Just I'm opening. In case in future, how we can check the version. This is Salesforce. How we can create, I will explain, but just I'm checking what is the version now. See here, 61 now. Upcoming version is 62. Now currently 61. The version is 61. Okay. See here, the winter, spring, and summer releases. Why means every 4 months, Salesforce.com providing one release and with new features and existing any uh, blockers or any issues with existing concepts. They're modifying those things and new features add to the Salesforce. So this is the one reason they're on-demand CRM. And one more thing is App Exchange. App Exchange is there. This App Exchange, like we have to mainly different applications available. You have any idea, you have to implement that idea, and once you are implementing that idea, you have to place that application. Once implemented any application, you have to place that application to in App Exchange. See here in new tab, we are redirecting to App Exchange. Here we have number of applications available. See here, top categories: finance, human resource, enterprise, sales, customer service, IT and admin, marketing, analytics, like different applications available here. Just we have, see here, learning experience, target, Maple LMS, learning management, Sage people, background screening for Salesforce. Like different applications are available. So we have using these applications, we have enterprise resource planning, like related, these all things we have. And in case we have sales related applications only, if we require, we have to remove this. See, this is sales related applications. We have to just log in and install this application in our Salesforce. Means different products, different applications available here. You have any good idea, any business, you end to end, you have know about the industry. So you have to implement an application and put here in App Exchange. Most of the clients searching here only. Client related employees are searching here only. Based on our requirement, which application is suitable for this entire processes. Like they can check and download those things. Download means install that app. See here, go to this app. So this is the app. Get it now is there now. You have to install in our organization. See, this is our org. Here we have required any apps. These are the maps available. But here, different apps available. We have an app menu is there. These are all the apps we have, different apps available here. And we have to add, install the apps. We have to, those apps also available here only we can see. We can discuss more on these things in coming classes. Now we have, this is also one advantage of why Salesforce.com more on demand, this app exchange. Like number of applications also available, already built, already built and deployed applications. So we can go with app exchange also. These are the things we have. Now, what are the advantages? Okay, see here, why cloud computing? Cloud computing is a universal access, work from anywhere, like using internet we can access, so work from anywhere, no need to maintain hardware, software, set your own data center. We don't require any servers placed in our place only, like this is the way. We don't require in our place server. Who is taking care about? Who is providing the technology? They are taking care about. And flexibility and security also. And cost reduction means we are not uh, purchased any server, not maintaining the servers, means definitely the cost is reduced. We don't require any this data related teams we have, the server related teams who is working. See here and like here, cloud computing, like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. In case we have non-cloud, we can go with non-cloud. They're managing these all things. Client only managing these all things. Who required application? Oh, the client only managing these all things like application, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, servers, storage, networking, these all things. Coming to the in case we have to go with any cloud computing, like in here we have infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure means the servers, storage, networking, virtualization, these all things who is taking care about. In our point of view, Salesforce.com only taking care about. Coming to the platform, platform means OS, middleware, okay, runtime, these all things, like where we have implement the application, what are the things required, okay, those things also providing Salesforce.com only. Excuse me. And coming to the software as a service, here providing applications, data, these all things. Software means applications and data. So these all things they're providing. Who is providing these things? Salesforce.com only. So while once they're providing these all things means almost cost is reduced. We don't require pay for anything for licenses, not licenses, servers related and infrastructure related and platform related. We don't need to buy. And applications related also, most of the application 50 to 60% they are only providing. Now, what is CRM? Already we discussed about this. CRM standards for customer relationship management. It is a business tool that allows you to manage all your customer, partners, and prospect information. Means customers and partners. Prospects means whoever interesting on products. We're calling as a leads also. Okay, these things. Why CRM? CRM why means like easily we have to interacting with the customers and we have to proper uh, reports and dashboards we have to see, like this all the CRM system is centralized which is available anytime, fingerprints, and avoid paper and manual work, and build and managing strong loyal relationship with customer and prospects. Nowadays, every organization we have to interacting with customers. Day one onwards, they're sending the emails, sending the notifications. What is the process now? Like this is the way every time, like communicating to the customers and like what is the process about that, what are the advantages in the products, benefits, like these all things they're explaining. Okay, and reduce process time and increase productivity. This is main things, like under data tracking. For almost 5 years back, one customer purchased one product, like that data tracking also we have to do easily, what is selling and who is buying, like these all things. We have consistent user experience across all touch points, real time access to all customer information to enable quick decisions. Like past 3 years or past 4 years, how the business is going, how business is went. And like one more thing is like every year, what is the customers sale capacity we have, and how we can purchase those things, like where we have to get them more and efficiently, get the revenue. Like these all things we have using these CRM applications. Easily we can figure out the things. And here traditional and versus cloud. Traditional means normal non-cloud technologies. Like we can go with non-cloud technologies. What are the things? Unused data, high installation and maintenance cost, no personalized service, high client attrition. Like means every time this client only spending the money and everything client or doing the things like, but here cloud related thing manage all data in one place. Okay, different clients information also in one place we have to manage. In a cloud based system you don't own anything. On real time customer data, personalized service, high customer lifetime value, and we have to provide the and tracking the information long time. How CRM works? Yeah, here this especially Salesforce and the other CRMs following multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture means, see here how they're adding, like in apartment is there anything, normally we have go with any apartment like houses like this only, but separate with walls. But outside, like this is a one house only, one house, and every side we have to same only like a one house, but within the apartment we have different flats available. Similar way here also we have different clients applications we have available, but with the security and not access this other client information also. Okay, so here following this multi-tenant architecture means all users share a single common infrastructure on code base that is centrally maintained, like server related different clients information, easy to access. Using we have user licenses, user creations, easy to we can access the data with user login only. Like how we can log in Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, similar way, log in and access the data. Like and easy customization. Like almost 60% application is there, but we have to do easily customizing the things. Like different technologies like available in UI, like full stack things is there now, those all things. This is the way we can do. And here, what is the Salesforce CRM benefits? Faster deployment, automatic software updates, and scalability and cost reduction, increased collaboration, like these all things we have related to this Salesforce especially. How non Salesforce thing, how we can, and this is the Salesforce developer platform, how we can do. Any idea you have to get how we can implement the things. Already we discussed about the things. And now benefits of Salesforce connects one-to-one with customer, one place to store all your customer data, reduce manual efforts, increase customer loyalty, retention and satisfaction, accelerate sales productivity, get more customer insight, increase overall growth of your business. Why we have to go with Salesforce? Like these all things benefits we have. This is the Salesforce a high market share in CRM. Compared to other CRMs, we have more market of Salesforce CRM only. That architecture we have. We can discuss more these things now after the class. Like what are the clouds we have? Different clouds is there: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, is it a marketing cloud, app exchange, like where we have to implement the applications, and like these all things, different things. And what are the clouds available? Like Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud. See here, uh, finance uh, and different clouds, analytic cloud, community cloud, app cloud. Nowadays, number of clouds we have: health cloud, okay, retail, like different clouds available nowadays. This commerce, health, like different clouds available nowadays we have. This is a chat related also we have one application we have, and this is mobile application. Nowadays there is no Salesforce one. Mobile applications also we can go with easily in Lightning especially. Okay, these are the things we have to about. This is data process flow, how we can create the customer and how they're assigning the tasks, activities, like these all things. We can discuss more on these things after. See here, now we are discussing about what is CRM and then how many, what are the CRMs available, CRM technologies related available. Now, now on this on-demand CRM is Salesforce. Why that Salesforce on-demand CRM means this is cloud-based technology, and like we have different 3 4 months they're providing the different releases, and also app exchange. One more thing is, uh, these are advantages. So, but how we can access the application means in Salesforce we are purchasing user licenses, user licenses we have. First, we have to, you are the client, we have to implement any application. First, we have to choose editions, different editions available, how we can get those editions. And once we have different editions available, one choose edition, then we can get the, based on editions, we are purchasing these licenses from salesforce.com. Only we are spending this money to the license only. So in case now you are the big organization, you have to number of users using this application. So almost we have 5,000 users. 5,000 users using almost 5,000 users using 5,000 license required. We have to go with unlimited edition. There is a unlimited edition. The cost is different, and in future you don't require, like the business is down, and the sales also decreased. So we don't require this money and uh, number of user licenses. We have to decrease to 3,000. Like each license cost is, for example, $30. 30 into 5,000 before we have. Okay, 30 into 5,000 means $150,000 we have to spend for user license. But after reduce this licenses, 30 into 3,000, only $90,000 only we are spending for licenses. So this is the way cost reduce. Means based on the business also, like we have to increase and decrease the licenses. And these are things we have. This is the advantage, reduce the cost. So we have different licenses and different editions is available. Like in small scale industries, in case we have to go with professional or enterprise, enterprise edition, and we have few more edition, group edition, and for who is learner, like you people who is the learning Salesforce. So those people, they are providing one edition. Developer, this is a free edition. For developer edition, this is developer edition is a free edition. Remaining things we need to pay amount for licenses we are, but developer edition free edition, and licenses also they are providing for each uh, license related, we have 2 users, 3 users we can create. We can see more things. Now, coming to the, what are the concepts we have in Salesforce and how we are providing the training. Okay, like first we have admin part is there. Here we can discuss most of these configuration things, like how we can user management, creating the users, and how we can provide the security. Once you are the salesperson or support person in the organization, what is the data can access salesperson? Okay, what he or she will enter the details customer related. What are the permissions required? What is the required UI user interface? We are providing the accesses and creating the users and providing this, any automations. Once you are creating the user as a salesperson or sales executive, you are creating the any customer information, automatically send the email to that customer, okay, or SMS, like this type of things we have to discuss. And once business user, client side business user providing data, number of records, we have to how to handle data migration things, deployments, like these all things in admin. Almost we have 25 to 30 days it will take. And next, development. You people knowing about the Java, core Java. Anyone knowing about the core Java? Or in .NET also, C# is their language. Similar way, you people know about the Python. Similar way, here we have one language is there, Apex. This is OOPS based language, similar to Java only. Like we have almost 95% syntax also same we have. And apart from this Apex, like we have Apex, then we need to knowing about the HTML part, means UI part. UI part, for that existing we have Visual Force is the Visual Force pages. We are calling as a, these two things is classic. Classic. Classic means Apex and Visual Force. These two things, almost Apex only 30 days it will take. And Visual Force pages, nowadays we are not using these Visual Force pages for designing UI related 7 days, so 5 to 7 days. I'm explaining 1 week these things. And now lightning part. This lightning almost I'm explaining 30 to 40 days. 30 to 40 days. Minimum is 30 days. And finally, integrations. 7 days is the course duration. In this lightning also, we have two things. One is Aura components and one is Lightning Web Components, LWC. These all things we are explaining. This is the course things. How many days each concepts. Here we have admin related things. Most of this data model, how we can create data model and security processes, automation processes, and what are the things, and data migration activities, reports and dashboards. Like these all things we have in admin only. 25 to 30 days. Development means Apex programming language. If people don't know about even basics also, some people in mechanical, civil background, or we have to farm or other backgrounds, I can explain basics on this, okay, from this Apex language related. And coming to the Visual Force page, nowadays we are not creating any new Visual Force page for UI. We are using, replace this Visual Force page to Aura, then Lightning Web Components. Nowadays, using Lightning Web Components. Okay. These integrations, like here in Aura, in Lightning Aura Components, you people know about the Apex, and JavaScript. These three things. Java. Here also, Lightning Web Component also, Apex and JavaScript. Both we have to use here also. HTML templates. HTML templates we are using. And in Aura also, Aura framework is there. Aura, see here, these all things. In Aura framework, Apex, and JavaScript. Here also, HTML templates, Apex, and JavaScript. So total 3.5 months to 3.5 months it will take total course duration. Okay. Now, how we can create a user in Arc, trial Arc. See, go to here and developer dot. There is a developer dot salesforce.com. Is there now? Like similar way, you have to add this sign up. Okay, sign up. See here, you have to redirect to sign up page, and here you are providing details. I am providing details, my details. Yaksha, last name is 36. I'm adding email address. I'm selecting a role here, company. I'm adding TCS and country region. India. See here, India. State. Telangana. Pin code. Here, remembering this thing, like we have to add Yaksha 36. Okay, this is the way, and I agree the. Now sign me up. See here, once sign me up, after 5 to 10 minutes, you will get the notification. You are getting the notifications. Like here, you are getting one email notification. Just you have to log in here. See, click on here and click on here, and you have to verify this account. Like this is the way you are getting. On this way, you have to get the link also. Verify the application. Verify the org. On verification mail you are getting. Yeah, this is the way you are getting. You are getting the verify account and that username we are getting here. And you have to, once click on this, you have to enter your password. Then you have to go to one second. Yeah. Almost there. Once you are getting the email, you have to verify your account, then log in. Like this is the way you have to log in. Like this is the way you have to log in. See here, login.salesforce.com. We're entering the URL. Then you have to add username and password. Already verify account. Their username you're getting and password also enter now. So you have to add those two things and then log into the Salesforce. This is sorry. Go to the lightning experience. This is classic view. I'm saying about lightning experience. Go to the lightning experience. See here. See here. This is the way we can see the arc. Here, what are the apps? App launcher. We are calling as a app launcher. What are the things we have to see? What are the apps available? We have to go with view all the apps we can see here in app launcher. See here, these all are apps available in our organization. Up to this, these are the apps. And we can discuss more on the remaining things. Once we are discussing about the apps. And now this is the setup. See here, this is logo. In case organization logo, anything we have. This is global search. We have to search entire organization related, anything data or anything. We have to search here. Global search. This is, see here, any users like this. This is the way we have to do. And one more thing is, this is setup. As a developer or administrator, require these things like setup. What are the concepts in Salesforce? As administrator developer, how we can use those concepts? Here we have to see those all things. Okay, our concepts. What are the Salesforce concepts we have? We can see here. There is a user creation and users and security wise, like these all things we have available here. We are calling as a setup. Okay, and next, see here, like Gmail and Facebook, Twitter, like that, we have account information, our information, logout. Okay, like these all things we have available here. And here notifications, in case we are getting any notifications from other users or sending any notifications, we can see here notifications. This is setup. Setup means like we have to open this setup, but if required, we have to this service setup. And we have to discuss more on like Salesforce help. In case you are getting any issues, how we can raise a ticket to Salesforce. This is the way we can. And here guideline center, in case we have new things, we have anything, how we can learn, like this is guideline center is there. And global actions, we have to, once we are using any actions related things, like globally we have to use, and multiple places we are using same actions, means buttons and actions I'm saying about, we have to go through this. And this is a favorites, like we have to treat as favorite, that if I once open, we have to add as a favorite, like these things. In case one by one, we have to explain in coming classes. Okay, once we have, after this class, we have to inform about when we have to start this day one onwards. Okay, the class will start. If you people having any doubts, please ask now. This course duration related or any doubts are related to this Salesforce technology. Most of the people having doubts on this. There is a coding or not? Yes, we have coding. It is also similar to full stack only, but not much code we are writing here. Okay, we are writing the programming, but compared to other technologies, we are not writing that much code here. Most of these things, administration means application, they're providing the, so and some concepts also they're providing. With those things only, configuration only, we have to complete almost 70 to 80% application. In case client required more things, like we have to go with customization. Like we can't possible through this in admin part or configuration concepts. We can go with customization means programming. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి మీకు.
హాయ్ సుబ్బారావు.
ఏ
యాక్చువల్గా ఇది సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ లో ఏఐ ఇది ఉంది కదా, దాని వాటి గురించి.
అది బేటా వర్షన్. కమింగ్ డేస్ లో మనకి వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ ఏ రిలేటెడ్.
ఓకే,
వస్తే నాకు తెలిసి కమింగ్ రిలీజెస్ లో మనకి ఏ రిలేటెడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని యాడ్ అవుతాయి.
అవే ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ లో తెలుసుకుందామని అడుగుతున్నాను మిమ్మల్ని.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, అంటే ఇంకా వీళ్ళే ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయాల మనకి ఏ రిలేటెడ్. బేటా వర్షన్ వస్తుంది ప్రెసెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ వస్తుంది. రీసెంట్ గా అయితే డేటా క్లౌడ్ ఒకటి వచ్చింది రీసెంట్ గా సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ ఫీచర్స్.
ఓకే అండి.
అదొకటి డేటా క్లౌడ్. నెక్స్ట్ వస్తుంది ఏ రిలేటెడ్.
ఓకే, ఇంకోటి కొన్ని క్లౌడ్స్ గురించి నాకు కొద్దిగా డేటా మోడల్ కావాలండి. మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్, కమ్యూనిటీ క్లౌడ్, కామర్స్ క్లౌడ్.
కమ్యూనిటీ క్లౌడ్, కామర్స్ క్లౌడ్ మనకు కవర్ అవుతుందండి దీంట్లోనే మొత్తము. మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్ అంటే మళ్ళీ డిఫరెంట్ అండి. మనం ఆర్గ్ ఓపెన్ చేసాం కదా, ఈ ఆర్గ్ కాదు, అసలు డిఫరెంట్ లైసెన్స్ మళ్ళీ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎడిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, డెవలప్ ఎడిషన్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా, అలా కాకుండా అసలు వేరే లైసెన్సే ఉంటుంది, వేరే ఎడిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్ అంటే. అదేంటంటే మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్
డేటా మోడల్.
నేను ఒక 1 minute ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్
చెప్పండి.
ఈ మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్ అనేది salesforce.com ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి ఇనిషియల్ గా. అదేంటంటే వేరే ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తే దాన్ని వీళ్ళు ఎక్వైర్ చేసుకుంటారు. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే దానికి సపరేట్ లైసెన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. అంటే మనము సేల్స్ క్లౌడ్, సర్వీస్ క్లౌడ్, రిమైనింగ్ క్లౌడ్స్ ఏ ఉన్నాయో ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు అక్కడ యాప్స్. మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్ యాడ్ చేయలేము మేడం. ఓకేనా, అది డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది.
అంటే ఏమేమి ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతాయి దాంట్లో?
నార్మల్ గా అయితే మనకి మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్ అంటే క్యాంపెయిన్ ఉంటుంది, మెయిన్ క్యాంపెయిన్ మెంబర్ అని, కాంటాక్ట్స్ అని, ఇట్లా అంటే సేల్స్ క్లౌడ్ లోనే ఉంటాయి అవన్నీ మనకి. అంటే ఈ మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్ ఇంకా మనము ఇన్ డెప్త్ కి వెళ్తే అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్, డిఫరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. యాడ్స్ ఎలా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాము. సి హియర్ మనకి సేల్స్ వచ్చేసి ప్రొడక్ట్ ఎలా సేల్ చేస్తాం ఉంటుంది కదా. బిఫోర్ దట్ అంటే హౌ వీ కెన్ మార్కెటింగ్, అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్స్ ఎలా ఇస్తాము, క్యాంపెయినింగ్ ఎలా చేస్తాము, ఇలా మనకి క్యాంపెయిన్ అని, క్యాంపెయిన్ మెంబర్ అని, డిఫరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి మార్కెటింగ్ క్లౌడ్. ట్రాక్ చేసే డేటాని మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే యు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఆన్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్, ఐఎమ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఆన్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్, వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ సస్పెక్ట్స్ అండ్ ప్రాస్పెక్ట్స్. సస్పెక్ట్స్, ప్రాస్పెక్ట్స్ నాట్ ఎట్ కస్టమర్స్. మనం ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అప్పటికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఏంటి డిఫరెంట్ వేస్, వెబ్ టు లీడ్. ఓకే, డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ లో మనం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తాం ప్రోడక్ట్ మీద. దానికి ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే ఆ డేటా అంతా మనకి లీడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అని ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. ఆ లీడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లో ట్రాక్ చేస్తాం. వన్స్ ఆ లీడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ట్రాక్ చేసిన తర్వాత సేల్స్ టీమ్ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది ఆ లీడ్స్ మీద. వాళ్ళని కాంటాక్ట్
Opportunity.
ప్రాస్పెక్ట్
Account contact opportunity.
కాంటాక్ట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ తర్వాత కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తారు. సేల్స్ టీమ్ అనేది కమ్యూనికేట్ అయిన తర్వాత we can discuss more on this. Okay, in next classes.
Okay.
If people having any doubts related to these course durations and compared to other technologies like that, you have any questions now? If people ask. And here opportunities also, like a developer means if people knowing about these all things. If people knowing about these all things like whatever admin part we have, admin and development, lightning, integrations, these all things we are calling as a developer. All the things if people knowing, but coming to only administrator only, no? This is only 25 to 30 days only admin part, but we have very less requirements we have in market. Like almost 10 calls we are getting, 8 developer related, 2 admin related we are getting, 1 or 2. And one more thing is, and here also one way we have to do admin with release engineer. You people know about the Devops, no? Devops, Salesforce admin with Devops, who is knowing about for separate jobs we have, like release engineer, calling as a release engineer, but Salesforce admin with release engineer. It means in case anyone avoiding this programming thing, most of the people, some people I'm saying about especially, they're not interested to learn these programming things. For them, I'm saying about admin with Devops, means deployments. Admin with deployments, we are calling as a Salesforce admin with release engineer. Okay, that is one option. And second one is admin, administrator, and next developer. Developer means we need to know about these all things, especially these things nowadays. Most of the clients also expecting their applications like using Lightning Web Components. Okay, this Lightning part, very important thing. In interview also, most of the cases, in 10 interviews, 5 to 6 interviews, within 1 hour, in case we have, for example, 1 hour interview, 35 to 40 minutes, they're asking questions on Lightning and these integrations. Okay. 3 or 3, 4 or 5 questions on integrations, 10 to 15 questions we are getting this in Lightning part only. They're asking. Okay. ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. డౌట్స్ ఏమీ లేవా? Yeah, okay guys. Thank you for joining the class. And after that, you will get the information when we have to start this first class. Okay, after 2 or 3 days, we'll start these classes. Okay, if people having any doubts apart from the subject related, you have to check with reception. Yeah, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Super.